Yo, what's up, my boys? And my maybe one girl that watches me. I don't know. It's probably a whole bunch of. I know it's a whole bunch of dudes, because not that many girls that are into cars. Damn, there's some traffic right now. So right now, guys, I'm actually going to the gym. You guys know that's where I live, bro. I love the gym. But today I decided to go to a different gym. That way I can do some cutting up for you guys on the way there. But it doesn't look like we can do much right now because there's tons of traffic at the moment. I don't know I thought it was gonna be a little bit, you know, better, but we'll see what's up, man. Just chilling. I was just listening to music, just cruising, and I'm actually, as you guys probably watch this video, I'm gonna go record a whole different video after this. Obviously you guys are not gonna see it until later, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I decided to just pick up the camera, do a little POV as I'm making my way to the gym. I don't know why. I know you guys see the screens going crazy, like blinking in and out. I don't know why that is. So if any of you guys know if like there's a setting I can change on the GoPro, let me know, because I don't know if that's one of the reasons I don't be watching the full video, man, because of that blinking thing. I don't know if that's the reason. That's one of the reasons I like recording at night as well, because at night you don't get any of that, you know. But because of the sun and the light and whatnot, that's why you know it gets like that. And so, and I have an older GoPro, so I can't just get an ND filter, I think they're called, and put it on this one, because this one's a GoPro 7, and I don't think they even make anything like that for this GoPro. So yeah, man, we here though, continue to grind, doing our thing. You guys already know we finally hit 1,400 subscribers today. As I'm recording this video, we are 1.4K, 2K coming soon, and then we're just gonna keep on working, keep on grinding, get ourselves to 10,000, and then 50,000, and then 100,000, and then 500,000, and then a million. You know what I'm saying? And then continue to grow from there, man. We ain't gonna stop, bro. I'm telling you, I'm never gonna quit making videos, bro. And if you hear, you hear, bro. If you're not, then you're gonna see me when we're working, going crazy for real. But hey, I'm not gonna stop. I want to get a tattoo, guys. You guys probably gonna think it's cringe. I talked to my girl about it. She was like, no, don't do that. She said, why don't you just write it somewhere? But what I wanted to do, my whole goal, guys, is to get a full sleeve. I didn't get it, like, I don't get it now or anything like that, because I want to get bigger. Like, I want to get more brolic. Like, I feel like I'm too skinny still, and I hear from people that, you know, if you're skinny and then you gain weight, then like the tattoo doesn't look as good, because then your skin stretches. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I've heard. Same with, like, if you know, have a little bit more weight on you and you lose weight, then it stretches. Like, I don't know if it's true. That's what I heard. Don't quote me on that. That's just what I heard, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I want to get a full sleeve, bro. I don't know on which arm. I think it will be my left, because when I did play baseball, that is where I had, you know, I wore my sleeve on the left arm. Oh, look at this. It's a M440 right here. M440 Grand Coupe DZ. Oh, that's nice, little gray and stuff. I really like the lights on the newer generations of BMW. I really, you know, those lights are fire. I still think that the older generations of like the 440s look way more sporty than the newer generation. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if, you know, I definitely think so though. Like, the back looks super aggressive for sure. Not as super aggressive, but it does look more sporty on that one. But everything else, like, that screams sedan like crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you see mine is a 4-door as well, but mine just gives more sporty vibes, you know what I'm saying? And it looks like it's some younger guy driving it. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, oh, let me get back to what I was talking about. So the tattoo that I want to get, it says, guys, do not clown me, bro, but it don't matter. But look, I want to put what was it? Winner, let me see. Damn, I forgot the damn quote already. I think it goes, winners never quit and quitters never win. Or quitters never win, winners never quit. I was thinking about getting that tatted on my arm, but my girl said don't do it, just write it down somewhere and just keep looking at it every day. And guys, I'm only getting that because, like, I just never want to quit, you know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of us start stuff and we just don't see it going anywhere, and if it's truly what you want to do, and like, you kind of get discouraged and stop doing it because you don't see any, you know, progress on it, and people just tend to quit. So I'd never want to quit, bro, because I've quit it before and it just you know, didn't take me anywhere anyway, and I wasn't doing much anyway, so why quit? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just quit. I mean, I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna just keep on grinding, keep doing my thing, man. You know what I'm saying? And today we got some gas, you know? Damn, I really wanted to cut up though. I feel I got like, my energy's up here right now, and I haven't even taken any pre-workout. My energy's up here. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna take some more pre-workout because I haven't yet, but I feel like just pre-workout helps me, bro. I don't know, it gives me the boost of energy that I need, and so that's what I do. But that's why everybody trying to take that exit right there. Let's see if this guy in the 440 want to cut up. What's up, bro? I'm on you. Let's see if he wants some. Oh, we on him. We chasing him. Oh, I don't think he want. He look like he's some chill dude. Like, oh, you know, he don't look like he's about it. Oh, he look like he out right now though. No cap. He look like he out right now. I'm gonna show him why this car is better than his. Cause this is the 440,000. That's why. I mean, his is a 440,000 too, but like, you know, he got more money than me, so he get that one and I get this one. But I'm gonna show him why you don't need a lot of money to have cool cars like mine, you know? Damn, his front look cool too though, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's nice, it's nice. Okay, I give it to you, man. I give it to you, it's nice, I ain't gonna lie. But I still like my 440,000. It's nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, he about to pass me right now. He lucky I gotta take this exit. He looked like some chill ass dude. He just chilling like this, guys. Look, I mean, you guys can't see me, but he's literally like this, not even looking left or right. He got his sunglasses on, not paying no mind to the rest of the world, and he's just cruising, bro. And meanwhile, I'm over here trying to cut up with him and shit, but he's not even with it. But let me know what you guys think I should get tatted. I feel like when you get tats, bro, like I feel like it has to have some meaning. I feel like a lot of people, they get tats, but it's like there's not that much that deep of thinking into them, and they just get a whole bunch of random stuff. I don't want to be that person. I mean, if you are that person, that's cool, you know, that's your body. But me personally, I want mine to have meaning, and so that's why I haven't gotten, you know, I haven't gotten any, but they're coming soon, bro. Full sleeve. But I'm not gonna get a full sleeve off the get-go, you know. I haven't even gotten a first tattoo. I don't even know how my body like reacts to it. I don't know if I can even handle it. And so, you know, I'm gonna start small. Some people go big right away. I want to do something small and then go from there. I know that there's a camera over here that has caught me before. We're not gonna let that happen today. So let me put my ass under 30 miles per hour so that one doesn't catch us. Oh, and now I'm stuck on the light. Great, man. Just absolutely amazing, man. I'm just happy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Just trying to make the best out of life and what I have. So yeah, man, I know we want a lot more, but it's time to remember that what we have wasn't here before. And so what the hell am I saying, bro? I'm gonna shut up, bro. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. I'm so sorry, guys, again, bro. Half of the time I just be chatting, bro. I don't know what I be saying. Oh, look, another, I think that's an A50, maybe A50, maybe there is an A40, right? Definitely not a M8, I can tell you that much, but it's definitely an I think it's an A50. Let me see if I'm right. I'm gonna check it right now. Damn, this white Honda is in the way. I couldn't even see the back. It's an A-some though. But yeah, guys, man, I'm just here, man, doing my thing, bro. My car definitely in alignment. This car be tweaking. I swear to God, it be taking me to the right. Let's go. All right. Push on it, man. Come on, let's go. Oh, chill. I need to get in here. It is Friday, so the gym should be pretty empty. I don't think people they just don't come to the gym. What are you doing, bro? Now you're gonna. Bro, now you got me stuck in the freaking street. But like I was saying, people don't really come to the gym on the weekends. Like, you know, Friday, like nobody goes to the gym on Friday. Only the crackheads like me, like gym people that really freaking want to make some gains. And I feel like if I don't go at this point, I've been going so consistently that I feel like if I don't go a day, I feel like I lose everything that I worked for. And so I think it's just a mental thing, and I think this is why a lot of people look at another, what is this? Oh, that's an M5 competition. I feel like that's why a lot of people just, even after they're mad big and shit, like they continue to go. For one, to maintain. For two, they just feel like, I think that they feel like they're getting smaller, and so they just continue to go just so that they don't lose it. And the third reason is you just feel better, bro, when you go to the gym and you get a nice little workout in. You just end up feeling a lot better. So damn, should I take this little spot right here? This is right in the entrance. Yeah, I like it. I've never parked this close, but hey, we here, man. I'm about to go get this workout in, man. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Go grind, go do something you love, and I love you guys. Peace.